That's
Security.
cyber security. Right, right, right.
Yes. Yes.
Bro, I am not good guy in English, but I am learning.
Well, don't think, if you think like that, if you think so like that, you want to able
Yes,
to learn. You want to get learn. You are not gonna learn. Think that you're trying. This is, I am also trying, sir. As same as you, I'm also trying. I'm also trying to learn English. We are here to learn something.
yes, yes, yes.
And while learning, we made mistake. It's necessary. It doesn't matter.
Obviously, obviously,
Okay.
obviously, obviously.
Yeah.
I also
So
inspired with you because
yeah.
you have tuk guy. Your auto.
Yeah.
This is a foreigner language tuk. I love
Well,
this
they
word.
don't
Huh?
understand. They don't understand because they don't have a auto in their country.
Before I can understand, I don't know this word tuk tuk.
Hmm.
First time I listen this word tuk tuk.
Well, it's
Then
mostly
I
used in Asia Pacific, like in China, in
yes,
Thailand,
yes,
Bhutan, Malaysia, Singapore.
yes, yes,
They
yes,
use
yes.
such kind of a word, tuk tuk.
Oh, wow. You have completed your dinner.
Yeah, I have had my dinner.
Oh, you had. Yes, yes, yes. But our time is 9:30. 10:30 will be start.
What about you? What about you? Have you had your dinner?
No, no. Now I cooking. Made roti.
Yeah,
In this time, I'm coming. I am sorry. I'm going to make made roti. Roti,
yeah,
roti.
yeah.
Yes.
Chapati.
And this time your call is coming.
Yes, 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 yes. I hope I
So
didn't disturb you. I hope I didn't disturb
no, no,
you.
no, 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 no. I have lot of time.
Yeah. And what are you preparing? What are you making for food? What are you making for dinner?
Roti or dalma. Dalma,
Dalma?
do you know dalma is a vegetable or dal?
Both together. Both together.
Ah, both together. This is a very sweet and interesting food.
Well, it's
Dalma
Odia
is a
food or it's
vegetable.
Kolkata food?
Is a Odia food.
Odia food. What's your
Odia.
what's your what's the main dish? What's your main dish in Odia?
Oh, it's simple rice roti that kind.
Rice roti.
Rice roti.
So you tell me why you learning English, sir? What's the reason?
Why I'm learning English? Because English in this time is very what kind I say you is a big deal. Without
Okay.
English, no job.
Yeah, yeah, I
Without
see, I
English,
see.
no one no one respect you respect you.
Yes,
So
yes.
when I'm go to
Hmm.
this field very important is must English.
Hmm.
Without English, you cannot catch the job.
Yes.
So I must be one year. I need English. So I can't. I can receive the job.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So I am fast. So my first person English conversation member is my sister son. Other
Mm.
person you.
Yeah.
Next
So
person
this
you.
is, you're talking to me the second time. It's like I'm a second one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Second one.
Yes. So how are you feeling right now? How are you feeling while talking with
I
me?
am feeling myself very proud because I attached with you.
Yeah.
So I proud of myself because I want before few months I want anyone guys with attached with me and a conversation with him. So I I can find my problem. I can find my mistake. I can find my some what can I do for this? That's
Mm-hmm.
so. Please, you can suggest me for what kind of there's some lacking. The fast problem, some lacking.
Yeah. Don't you worry. Lacking, it happened. This is the initial stage. It happened. Don't you worry. It's not a big deal.
Yes.
Stumbling is not a big deal. At least you are trying. Most of the people, they feel shy.
Mm.
What they feel that I'm stumbling. I'm hesitating. I don't want to talk with anyone.
Yes.
But at least you are trying. You should proud yourself that at least you are trying. You know,
Mm.
rather than
Do you
sitting in the
know?
backside.
Yes, yes.
What's your future plan, Mr. Das? What's your future plan?
My future plan always is my English knowledge is very good. I will be
Mm.
improve my English knowledge good to good to good.
Yeah.
And my career job now, what I'm pursuing my career job. This job I will be put this job
Hmm.
top of level in
Inshallah,
my.
inshallah, inshallah, inshallah.
So my dream is go to out of country
Yeah, that's what
because
I'm thinking about. That's what I'm thinking about you. You must be go out of the country. That's why you are learning English language. Am I right?
yes, yes, is absolutely right.
Where you want to go? Where you want to go?
So my favorite country is not Dubai, not yeah, is some different country. That means Israel, New
Yeah,
Zealand, this kind
yeah.
of country. Not Dubai, not yeah, some common country. I not like it
Okay, why you don't like common country?
because many people have they go there. So I
Hmm.
go different country. But
Hmm.
I choose the country. This country always different.
Yeah,
So
I see.
so I want to go Israel, New Zealand, some difference here.
Yeah, yeah. You will definitely, sir. And how you learning English, Mr. Das? How you learning English?
This time I have complete translation book, some tense,
Mm,
some always completed, but some word I have no don't know. So I
mm,
not completed my sentence. So
yeah.
this time I think, how can I complete my sentence? So I think the if women have lot of English word,
Yeah.
no word. This guy always completed this sentence, everything.
Mm.
So please suggest me what I do. Please
Well,
suggest me. I have no idea. Bro, when I watch your video, na, that time I feel I I know this word, I complete this word. That time I have potential. But when I conversation with you, yeah, any guys, that time I forget this word and not complete my sentence, some mistake. But before that time, I know that this is the tense, this is the particular tense, it is word. I know this word right now.
mm.
But when I conversation that time, I forget this word, forget the sentence, forget the tense. That
Why you forget? That's because of you don't practice.
I have no practice. Right,
That's a
right.
big problem, sir. That's the problem only. There's not a hesitation. It's why you forget that because of you don't practice. You didn't practice a particular word or particular subject. You didn't practice.
Yes.
You know. That's because of you forget.
Can I know,
It happened.
know
It happened with everyone.
oh, 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 of course, I will be improve myself, of course, but some I will be try. I
Yeah,
do
you
it. I
must.
do
No, sir. Don't say like
it.
that.
Do it.
I will be try. No, you must try. You must try. You and you have to.
Yes, yes. I must try. I
If you
must try.
want, if you
Sorry,
if you
the
really want to
word.
go, look, if you really want to go abroad after the India, you have to learn. You must learn, sir. You don't have any other alternative instead of learning English.
Yes, 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 yes,
You know.
yes.
Okay then, Mr.
So
Das. Take care, sir.
obviously, can I know, yeah, when you go to sleep?
It's time to sleep, sir.
It's time to sleep, huh?